Alright guys, so I had a request to show how to use OneNote. And when you click on the link that I post on Google Classroom, this is what you're going to see. So what you need to do is you need to go to your name. So it will be right here. And then you click on it. And then you click on Notes and Classwork. And that will show all the notes that we have so far. So let's say I want to go to lesson number 5. And here is lesson number 5. Okay? So usually you're going to see the warm-up, the link to the warm-up, probably a video, then the lesson, and the homework, okay? So now, if you want to write using your pencil, if you have a touchscreen, what you're going to do, if you're working online, you're going to make sure you go to Draw, right here, Draw, and then pick the color that you want. Let's say you want red or green. And if you have a pencil, then you write on it or with your finger if it's a touchscreen. Now, if you don't have a pencil or you don't have a touchscreen, you can also type. Now, to type, you gotta make sure that you go here to the letter A. Click on it, and then whatever you want to type, you double click. Okay, so let's say I want to write something on number 22. So I'm gonna double click, and that's gonna open a box like Google Docs. Okay, and when you have that, you can actually just start typing. Okay. When you're working on OneNote online, it's a little bit more difficult than if you use the app. So if you guys want to see exactly what I see, exactly what I show on my notes, you guys need to download, not that one, sorry, this one, OneNote for Windows 10. Okay, so I had this one open because I noticed that when I go to the actual, to Google and look for OneNote, you guys see this one right here, download OneNote, and that will open this one, but that's not the one you need. If you click on that one, you're not going to be able to see your notes. Okay, so be careful. If you want the actual app, it has to be this one, OneNote for Windows 10. Now, when you do that, you are going to be able to see the notes like I showed them. Okay, this one is better because one, is faster because you are not online. And two, you have more space because you can actually get rid of this section. Okay? By clicking here, you can close it and then you have more space to work on. All right, so whenever you want to just write something, just choose a color and do exactly the same thing that I do on the notes. Okay, so if you guys have any questions, let me know, or come to my remote support on Tuesday or Thursday. If you cannot meet on Tuesday or Thursday from 1 to 2, you guys can let me know and we can meet on Monday, Wednesday, or Friday. All right, I hope that helps. Have a nice weekend, guys.